great to have you with us. Welcome to this video. And today we have a real time travel because you might only remember the topic of cleaning pads. How did it all start? Can you remember back? Remember the years 2018, 2019 when I introduced my pad cleaning wall? Built with wood and also in various designs. I'll show you a few scenes here again. And this shows that time simply moves on because Poka Premium has now also brought such a model to the market. Of course, it's completely made of metal, wonderfully coated. And you know Poka, premium mounts, there are mounts for polishing pads, machines, and also various accessories, including for brushes. And now we have a small pad, cleaning wall, a mount for polishing pads, so you can wonderfully spray them with the pressure washer. The part is already hanging over here on the wall. Let's take a look, just have fun. And you see the part is already hanging on the wall in my wash hole. And with it, I can perfectly clean my polishing pads here. I simply attach them here because the whole thing is equipped with a Velcro surface. You can see it well here. The Velcro surface is then in this frame, clamped in, and it is also self-adhesive. That means you have a double holding mechanism and you can attach different pads here. I now have 2x125, 2x75, 150, and 230. The whole thing is really nicely finished. You can see here the screws again. And with that, I'll first show you the setup briefly. Otherwise, you have the option to hang the part on the wall. I've already done that here at the back. Just 2 screws into the wall, and then you can hang it on the back using the brackets. Just look a little from above to make sure you catch both. And then it is firmly hung. But you also have 4 feet, which you can screw on the outside. Then you can also lay it on the floor. But here, for me, it makes sense to just put it on the wall so that the water can run down here. But for those who want to use it, for example, on the SB box or elsewhere, they can simply build it at the bottom. Attach the 4 feet and you can easily lay it on the floor as well. So think carefully about how you want to use it. But nothing will happen to this part here. Then cleaner and everything else can also come into contact here. We are stripping the surface here. And now it's important to have a steady hand. If it's not accurate to the millimeter, that's not a problem. But it's important that it roughly hits the center. And then we can adjust it again. Also slowly place the center on top here. And then it fits. You always have about 1 millimeter free here at the corners. And then you press it firmly here because, now comes the next step. Yes. The frame around it, make sure to choose the nicer side if possible. Although on my side there are no damage spots or anything like that. Sometimes you have a small friction point or something like that. Or you might have bumped into something before. Unpack it later. So just check it again. Choose the nicer side. It doesn't really matter. So now we place it here. And now you just need to screw everything together. I've placed something underneath here. This makes it a bit higher. And now I'll screw this part first. And up here. And with that, you have a better fixation of the frame because you can reach it better here. And I'll do it right here with the ring spanner completely tight, so it's fully fixed right away. And why do I start with the screws? Because on the outer sides, you have this frame around it, which means you can reach it much better here. Reach. That's why. First fix the top and bottom. Then the frame can't slip anymore. You can already see why I did that, because this bend here makes it a bit more complicated. That's why now we can turn the whole thing around again. And now you screw one screw tight after the other. So after you've completely attached your pads, just here, spray with your appropriate cleaner. I have the Micron from Innovacar here. I always let it sit like that for 3 or 4 minutes. You can also insert the pads beforehand, of course. But now just for your illustration here, and that's already done. First, pass. Then I take off my pads. That also works well. Just hold it a little bit. And then you can clean your pads with it without any problems. So that's definitely fine. We can also try it a second time with fresh pads. Then you can see again how it is in terms of handling. I have to hold it a bit, of course, because otherwise I would pull the board towards me. Now we can also use a microfiber pad. Test. You see, they are really already quite a bit older. Yeah, amazing how such a pet cleaning wall develops, built from wood by oneself. And now we are at the point where Poka Premium has already put together a truly premium piece. When I think back to my first wooden construction, but in principle it is the same, just in a high quality version. But cool that it simply evolves over time. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about it, put them in the comments below. If I should test something specifically again, feel free to let me know. But I think there's not much more to say about this piece. It works, you see how many pads fit on it. And with that, you can decide if you want to incorporate and use it yourself. I find it a practical thing. You will now always see it hanging here in my videos in the future. See? Thumbs up because it works. No negative points found for. It's now going into the long-term test. Sebastian. Bye, guys.